Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at my very favorite everyday carry tool, the Leatherman Squirt PS4 Multitool. Without a doubt, it's a favorite of mine. It's great for everyday carry in your work pants or in the hiking shorts out on the trail. It weighs in at just 2 ounces and is only 2 1/4 inches long. It's unbelievable. It's made of stainless steel with hard anodized aluminum handles. It has a convenient key ring attachment, spring action needle nose pliers, spring action regular pliers, spring action wire cutters, 420 HC knife, spring action scissors, flat and Phillips screwdriver, a bottle opener, a wood/metal file, and a medium screwdriver. The 420 HC stainless steel knife blade is 1.6 inches in length and is an improved high carbon form of 420 stainless steel, and it is heat treated. The Leatherman Squirt PS4 comes with a 25-year warranty. It can be found online selling for about $26. I chose it especially when I go backpacking. It's very lightweight and it's also a super tool to carry in your pocket at work. Overall, the Leatherman Squirt PS4 is a great choice for a durable, lightweight EDC multi-tool. I rarely leave home without it. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.